I began a self-assigned workshop with time in 2021. For a lot of my life, like many people, I felt like I was fighting time, like I was always behind, like time was always slipping away. So I began to explore this area. Would it be possible to change my relationship with time? So, spoiler alert, the answer is yes. And I want to share what I've learned. I want you to see beyond the hours and minutes and seconds. Time is perceptual, relational, and somatic. Time is perceptual. Time is shaped and influenced by our perceptions. A watched pot never boils. Time flies when you're having fun. Time is relational. Time is enforced by obligations. Time is enforced by the fear of loss, the fear of lack, the fear of losing something. It's not just about hours and minutes. It's about how we're relating inside of an agreement. So time is perceptual and time is relational. It's enforced by obligations and promises and expectations. Time is somatic. Time feels a certain way in the body.